Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency investing? Before you take the plunge, it's essential to understand the top 8 rules that will help you navigate this volatile market successfully. Rule number 1. Buckle up for wild market swings. Cryptocurrency is a young and highly volatile market, so be prepared for price fluctuations. Rule number 2. Don't fall for the tricks of Twitter or YouTube crypto token shillers. They may promote projects for their gain, causing you to lose money. Do your own research instead. Rule number 3. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the safest bets in the crypto world. Keep in mind that other cryptocurrencies carry higher risks. Rule number 4. Governments worldwide view cryptocurrencies with skepticism. Investing in crypto requires courage and belief in its potential. Rule number 5. Rely on reliable sources with a large following to stay informed. Look for platforms that report and feature cryptocurrencies without trying to sell them. Rule number 6. Choose reputable exchanges like Coinbase to buy and sell crypto. Avoid small, shady exchanges that may put your investments at risk. Rule number 7. Adopt a long-term mindset when dealing with reputable projects. Alternatively, consider swing trading with verified swing trading services. And finally, rule number 8, store your crypto in a cold storage wallet. This ensures your assets are secure and protected against hacking attempts. Remember, becoming a successful crypto investor takes patience, education, and caution. Happy investing!